Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is a market update for Thursday, July 14, 2022. If you look at the chart here that the mini SP 500, the year chart, September contract, as you can see here at this moment, the market is still sideways choppy. Hopefully they can find a bottom here, but we are still not sure that they'll be able to do that until the price be able to break out this downtrend line and put it to the upside. At this moment, we are still in the downtrend, as you can see here. Momentum is trying to divert a little bit, but we need more price action to put through this area here to show that at least this level will be bottom out. So just wait and see until tomorrow or next week. Let's see how the market will be able to concentrate and punch to this level. If they cannot do that, we are still sideways choppy to the downside here. Okay, so if you look at the NQ, actually the NQ, NQ it tried to hold up pretty well here. Again, we need to take over this level here in order to move higher. So probably we can see it in next week. So far we already kicked up the earnings season with a lot of bank stocks. Seems like they all failed to meet the expectation. So most of the bank stock, as you can see here, like JB Morgan, right, continue to drop like rock, and Morgan Stanley, it continue to going down. So the banking still have a lot of trouble. Okay, and if you look at the Dow it also still below the Dow trend line here. So let's see that tomorrow we'll be able to put it back up and retest this line. But if they're able to punch through it, then we can see something here at temporary bottom for the short term. So the Russell 2000, it also continues to have a low high low low. We don't have a high high to the upside yet, so technically the downtrend line here to hold them up. So that's interesting. Next week they can to give it more clue. Okay, so you will see more volatility coming up when the earnings season start picking up. If you look at the crude oil is still after they break this level here, and then they break it out trend line and continue to go lower. But they have some support at this level here, so in the short term, next day we see some pullback, but the overall trend is still down. Okay. Look at the gold. Gold it also continue to go to the downside. The momentum is still negative, so everything is still in the downtrend right now, as you can see. If you look at the dollar side, it run up very fast. Okay, so as you can see here, all the dollar side it continue to move higher. So and the euro it continue to move lower. However, this one here a little bit extended, so it try to find some support here right now. If you look at the let me see here. If you look at the Bitcoin is still sideways choppy into downside. However, they are trying to find a support here. Okay, in the short term, but the overall trend is still continue to have a low high low low. The Ethereum it also trying to find a support here. So they have some resistance here. They need to clear this one here to get up here. Okay. Now, if you look at the volatility index, you can see that the wick is trying to put it back up, but they failed to punch higher. So the momentum will turn to negative again, so which is good for the stock market. If they continue to go lower, they will help the SP 500 to move higher. And if you look at 10-year treasury note, they drop below the support, they come back retest, but they cannot punch through it as long as they stay below this line here. The interest rate is still be able to contend in the short term. Right? They have still have room to get back here. So if that's the case, then they help a lot of technology stock to move higher. So watch out for the big cap growth stock. They have potential to revert if this one it continue to go lower. Now, if you look at the 11 sector of S&P 500, you see that material continue to go south, right? Everything is still down, everything is still in red. The communication sector is still choppy. They won't be able to run through this line yet, so technically it's still bearish, but they have a support here. So you will see that they will sideways choppy here to give you a clear direction. If they can punch to this level here, they will go up. If they drop below here, they continue to go lower. The energy sector also all in red, no sign of reverse yet. So technically it's still bearish. They have some support here. Okay, so let's see what they want to do, but overall it's still downtrend right now. Financial, you can see, continue to the downtrend. The momentum is still bearish, so it needs a lot of work for them to turn around here. Industrial, it also going down, as you can see here. They not be able to make it high here, so they continue to make it low high, low. So technically it's still bearish. Technology, it a little bit better. They hold it up here. Momentum is try to push it up. Okay, so they have a lot of resistance here. If they're able to clear this resistance here, we have a short-term back test to this area here. The consumer table, again better. As you can see here, they hit the resistance, they pull back. So seem like they hold up pretty well here. If they can clear the area here, and definitely we can see more put up to the upside next week. The utility, it also try to find a support here. So right now they are still sideways choppy. The real estate, it depends on the interest rate. If the interest rate is coming down, they can have the real estate. But if interest rate is continue to go up, the real estate is still in trouble, as you can see here. The healthcare, they're doing very well. They put it up right into the resistance. They failed to punch through it. Now they continue to put it to the south, but they have some support here. So let's see if they can hold up. If the next couple of days they'll be able to revert this side here, they take over this level here, they can find a room up to the upside. Okay, XLY consumer discretionary is still in the bottom. They try to find a way to stabilize here, and they need to break through this level here in order to take over the uptrend direction. Otherwise, you can see that we will just be up and down here. Okay, so overall, as you can see, the market is we're still not out of the wood yet. Okay, let's see tomorrow what the market they want to do next. Okay, if they fail to break this downtrend line here, we still continue to go sideways and test this level before we can break this line here for the bull to come back to the market. Okay, so I think that's all I have for you today. So let's see how the market lay out. So, but some of the strong stock that you need to watch out, they will try to find a way to turn around, like Amazon, okay, Microsoft, and those stock is strong, good stock. You monitor, you will see it. All right, so I think that's all I have for you today, and let's see how market going to do tomorrow. They can give you some clue for the next week. Okay, and then I will see you on the weekly market forecast on Sunday. Take care and good luck to all of you.